adeɛ no ne boɔ bɛyɛ sɛ.
Yes, what the store no baako ana
store no baako
ma haya ana
shop no so the 278 no so ɛbɛyɛ sɛ. So all the ase. Because at least I send the panel soon because we are closing in. So international the 2,304
Akoma FM
3.461 million 1 year. Commercial lot 278 shops, and so 3 million. So 3 shops. Tini na no any year ni breakdown food court ni square area na ne niema nyina. Ntina say ye justify obia sika obetwa. Ti ye hwe mu no ene ono a PM ya say no ho
from assembly from pon.
Yes, I work it out as until the total for 5 years will come up to 23 times, which is 115 million. And was anana, yeah, Jibusia 50 million. 8 years in 5 years. Next year, 3 good words, not 5 years, no, you been 115 there. Why then do we have to take the facility?
Okay, that's the loan, no?
The loan. It's the way they come sell. So almost the second tranche of the 14,448 ne banner 23 million no. Ne to me the 20% ni we 2304 apata way. Now 278 shops no any 4 food court, banking hall, anyway no so to me yeah.
Okay.
87.
And yeah nanka me pese. Yan starting this can in free for no home. Traders no.
Yeah.
Dance
Musa to us akwaje bosia no.
Na the bank the bosia pay will be 23 million.
Instead of the
approved figure no.
40 million later na mo twen to maje 10 million. E dey aka ho no akoye. Yes.
So nti obesusu sa na so and a fine idea. Eno na ma sa wa no asem na wo boy.
Yes, e buy.
And I'm catch you say. So like now, yam fan say bia and was I catch him so you could check
Akoma FM
87.9 3,000 cedis a pattern
for
maybe a pattern. Now where do you my bread? And it is a so crowd the 115 crowd half. And more crown pa. It comes up to 1,500 cedis.
Okay, per pata. For a year or a month or forever.
No, fast in the goodwill.
That's the goodwill. Okay. As a pattern the what you are 1,500 for our pattern. Okay.
So then again, Otriasa pattern we are. So until now for the be working the a pattern do
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
2 3 for go use make catch na go pese obi bia watia go da papa no ka se opeso ohun na ye mane hunu mu na ote bibia se minim ba bia ka yemefo no omu no epe omu figure si fi any assembly for no but they made a message man say omu mo ho kwan na omu nya santehene na omu awo mu ti se wo de emphasize apata no mpokura na kofi eye cheap kura mpo a na year 1 no ye bit
Akoma FM 87.9
3461 529 times 5 amount 17 million.
Yeah.
So 17 million no, divided by 2304 HSN could be able to 7,500.
That's the shops no. Apata baako. Okay.
And it is ye says can say half kra. So then that will mean say within that 5 years, all the 1,500 times 2304, a number of that 3 million cities. So you don't need it is a times 5 years.
87.9 Kumasi.
17 from this time, started to 10 cities. It's in 6 months, the 10 cities by maybe that question now 130 days until end up as 1.3 million.
Yeah.
And yes, the bank for the can say because they are paying the money now. I bet it's a call.
Yeah.
Until the moon call deposit by the time no obenya access to the interest are built over free so.
Okay.
And then I would tell about no assembly no can. That is the agreement and fidelity she said.
Akoma FM 87.9
Nini now was a documented paper to the minister and to her stamped and signed, verified.
Yeah.
Said a be authentic valuation paper.
As the consultant for the avant-garde service, I see.
So now you're not to say yeah they are no be and aka. So
we are 4th May.
Yes.
2021.
Because that is the time and after you do this stage, you know.
No project
so
go so.
Yeah, enough. So the next 6 months, you know, would then be March, April, May, June, July, August.
FM
The next 3 months,
87.9
yeah, did the second tranche now. These people can come in. And tomorrow, yeah, the idea number who say that yeah, and tomorrow starting pay musica. So, and now, you buy now October 2020. This is September 2021.
Yeah.
Your status report to your Sunday any
September 2021. Okay.
Say, your my client say in Sia Patati phase 1 construction of market stores and external works within the markets and ground floor.
FM 87.9
Phase 2 your construction and completion of first and second and third floor. Phase 3 complete construction of the main block and external works. Our project over the years, the project has stalled for lack of budgetary allocation. Because you know, now amount of 50 million and into your car say, and the extra faces, you know, any, and at the status report, until baby now can say. Currently, approval has been granted for the implementation of the first phase over a period of 6 months. The subsequent phases have, however, been programmed to start 3 months after the start of the preceding phase. The scope of the first phase includes the execution and completion of the market shares, execution of the external paving works within the market shares and access roads. Official recommencement date for the outstanding works under the new financial arrangement was set at 12 February 2021, and thus the project is expected to be completed on 11 February 2022.
Wow.
Subject to any possible time extension considerations. Following from above, phase 1 is to be completed on August 12, 2021. With over 7 months expended, works on the project has progressed as planned and 78.8% completion, and it includes completion of 80% of market short for all the 4 lots.
Wow.
Because we'll be at there 576 times 4 and about 2304. And under any one lot to be an 18 times 32. That's how you have the 576.
Wow.
And the completion of 74% of first phase of external works. Roads are not attached here, and galleys now we and so near 74%.
And so, this was Assad May, June 2021.
Yes.
By September 2021, na baby anamo duru no.
Aye. Ena obia susika aso a ewom na ko fiti se de.
Na motua dodo na.
Nti I say the project under the new financial arrangement is being implemented in 4 phases within 1 calendar year. The disbursement of funds by the works is being regulated by payment schedule agreement with the funding agency, Fidelity Bank. Under the new financing arrangement, 4 scheduled payments are to be made, of which each phase shall be continuing funding up raising of payment certificate.
Okay.
In February 2021, an amount of 8,211,059 Ghana cedis, 50 pesos, was disbursed to the contractors as advance mobilization.
But your figure ni BM
8211759.57. That is the first phase.
The first phase.
Sometimes I say 2 tranches into year phase. It's 8211 way. 80% to complete the 2304.
Yeah.
And money for the external works. And then there are 4 contractors plus Atachi as 5.